If the neighbor had a big drain right here, or I had a retaining wall, it would be flooding her yard to the road. And eventually it'd be a big wash there too. But since there's not anything stopping all the flooding from her yard, it's flooding my yard. And I hate to put it all on Diane, but I can't do any erosion control when I'm being flooded. There's the issue. My yard is being flooded by my neighbors. My neighbor needs to get her yard flood control, and then I can take care of the erosion that all the flooding from her yard has caused.